Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Sassy Alice, and I only had a channel since yesterday, so kind of tough. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell. Anyway, let's get started. So today I'm going to be showing you all my putties and slimes. Let's start with the putty. I'll go for the glitter ones. So this is the purple phonics. It's really nice and stretchy. I have played with these before, I just haven't showed you guys. So yeah. It's really soft getting it out. It did come in a packet, I just snipped it out. Really soft. If you're wondering what that noise is, my mum's having a bath, so try to ignore it. And it's really stretchy. Sorry guys. Yeah, it's really stretchy. It's a really nice colour. It's got like different colours of glitter. It's really pretty. I love this. Anyway, let's get on to the next one. This one's Candy Comet, and it's pink. Just gonna open it. Let me just get it. Now this one's a new one, so I just had to snip it. Okay. Now let's just get it because it's stuck to the packet. Okay, got it. It's a really nice colour. You do have to warm them up. So I warmed that one up off camera. So yeah, it's dark on it. The colour's dark on camera, but it's really light in like here. So it's another really nice one, and I really like it. So yeah. Sorry guys. So yeah, that one's good. Here's the next one. It's called Professor Martin's Genius Putty Glitter for ages 3+. So lucky. If you want to know what colour it is, it has it right there. That means the colour. So this is going to be blue. This one does not come in a packet. So far, oh look at that colour. Look at it. It's so pretty. So far it's really hard to get it out. Now this one's going to be. Okay, I wouldn't recommend have this one. I'll warm it up for a couple of minutes then. To you. So I've been warming it up for about 10 minutes and look what I got. Still, I wouldn't recommend buy this one. So don't buy it. Okay, we're gonna go on to the mix. So, first one is Colour Illusion. And by the way, these are liquid lavas. It can stretch. It stretches and snaps. It bounces and flows. No idea what flows means, but this is Purple Flare. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one out. Whoa, it's so pretty. It's really good, really stretchy, and that's that one. By the way, this is part 1. So, yeah, this is part 1. There is going to be a part 2, but keep watching this one. Next one, we're going to go for Rose Quartz. Actually, you know, guys, I'm going to keep it till next time. So, stay tuned and make sure you watch part 2 because this is part 1. Bye! Have a nice day.